Hi there! Ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa harmonic sequence. Ano ba ang harmonic sequence? Pag sinabi natin harmonic sequence, it is a sequence of quantities whose reciprocals form an arithmetic progression. So, paano natin malalaman? Take a look at these examples. 1, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. So, paano natin madedetermine if the given sequence is harmonic or not? So, in step 1, we have to reciprocate all the given terms. So, ang reciprocal ng 1, 1, 1/2, 2, 1/3, 3, 1/4, 4. So, second step naman, kailangan kunin natin yung common difference nila para malaman natin kung yung reciprocal niya ba ay arithmetic sequence or not. So, paano yun? I-less lang natin siya. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the common difference is 1. It is harmonic since it has a common difference of 1. Sabi nga natin kanina, ang harmonic sequence is a sequence of quantities whose reciprocals form an arithmetic progression. Masasabi natin arithmetic ang isang sequence kung meron siyang common difference. So, since itong given natin, yung reciprocated term ay may common difference, kaya ito ay harmonic. Tingnan natin yung example number 2. 1, 1/4, 1/5, 1/7. Kunin natin ang reciprocal niya. 1, 4, 5, and 7. Kung titingnan natin, kung i-less natin siya para makuha natin ang common difference, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2. Kung makikita natin siya, wala siyang pinapakitang common difference. So, example number 2 is not harmonic sequence.